Dear children, better today we are going to start page number 85 and multiplication. Okay, see that how we will do these kind of questions. Now this is multiplying a 2-digit number by a 2-digit number. Okay, see that beta. 6 5 ja beta 30. 6 5 ja 30. So what I will write, unit digit I will write always here, and that 3 will go carry over here. Okay, 3 will go carry over on here. 5 5 ja 25. 5 5 ja beta 25, or 25 plus 3 beta 28. Okay, now further there is no number in the left side, so it will come completely 280. First line multiplication has completed now. Okay, now just make one cross. Now by this number we will multiply. See that 4 6 ja beta 24. I am writing here 4 into 6 is equal to 24. So what I will write, unit digit is 4. Under 8 I will write. Okay, now what will be carry over beta? Carry over will be 2. Write that carry over 2 here at the top of this number. Okay, now this 3 is not carry over. For this line, what is carry over now? 2. Okay, or otherwise if you are being confused now, you can write that, rough that 3 previous carry over and write 2 here now. Okay beta, 4 5 ja 20. 4 5 ja 20, or 20 plus 2 beta 22. So write that 22 completely. Now add them. Now beta add them. Okay, 0. 8 plus 4 12. Carry 1. Na addition everybody know. 2 plus 2 4. 4 plus 1 5. Okay, and this 2. So what will be your answer? 2520. See carefully, because not only this much of question, other question I am also going to give you. Okay, now see that beta. Now 8 6 ja 48. Table should be, now everybody have table should be very clear to you. Without table it will be difficult to multiply beta. Still I am repeating that learn your tables carefully. Okay, now see 8 6 ja 48. So write 48. What you will write? Unit digit is 8. So write 8 here. What will be carry over now beta? 4. What will be carry over? 4. 8 4 ja 32. 32 plus 4 36. 36 na 34. 8 4 ja 32. 4 is carry over. 33 34 35 36. So 36. So you now further number is not here on the left side. So what you will do? Write completely 36. Okay. Now see that next 7 6 ja 42. Okay. 7 6 ja beta 42. 7 into 6 is equal to beta 42. So what you will write? First make one cross as earlier we made. Okay. Now write 2 here. What will be carry over? Again same carry over is there. So there is no need to rough that. Okay, now 7 4 ja 28. 7 4 ja 28, or 28 plus 4, add that. 28 plus 4 beta 32. Okay, so write there 32 again. Okay, now add them. 8 6 plus 2 8, 3 plus 2 5, or 3. See that how much simple they are. Nothing is difficult. Okay, these are 2-digit number, multiplication of a 2-digit number by a 2-digit number. Okay, now just see that further. 6 9 ja 54. 6 into 9 is equal to 54. So what you will write? 4 you will write here. What will be carry over beta? 5. Write that 5 above the number. 9 2 ja 18, or 18 plus 5. See that 18, count up to 5 means beyond 18. 18 19 20 21 22 and 23. So it will be 23. It will be beta 23. Now for this line 9 multiplication has completed. 9 by 9 we have multiplied completely to 26. What we got? 234. Now by which number we will multiply? By 8. So for starting next line, make a cross. First make a cross on the unit place. Okay, always make a cross in the unit place. Now 8 6 ja 48. 8 6 ja beta 8 into 6 is equal to 48. So what you will write? 8 you will write here. Okay, and what will be carry over? 4. 8 6 ja 48. So 4 will be carry over. So rub this 5 from here and write 4 there. Write 4 there. 8 2 ja 16 or 16 plus 4 beta 20. Okay, 16 if you will count means 16 to add further 4 on the 16, you will see that 16 17 18 19 and 20. So it will be 20. Now see that, add them. 4 8 plus 3 11, 1 carry, 2 plus 1 3, or this 2 2 3 1 4 will be your answer. Okay, further next question I am going to do, you just see that. Okay, now see that beta, next question. And what is that? See, 84 multiplied by 20. Okay, if we will multiply any number by 0, in properties I taught you, if we will multiply any number by 0, so what will come? 0. If I will multiply 4 into 0, so what will be? 0. Okay, so you will write 0 here. And 0 into 8, that will also be 0. This line multiplication has completed. Now make one cross here in the unit place. Okay beta. Now 2 4 ja 8 or 2 8 ja 16. Here not any number further there, so there is no need to write the unit place digit. So you will write complete number. 8 2 ja 16. So write 16 here. Okay, now add them. 0, 8 plus 0 8, it is 6 and 1. It will be your answer, 1680. Okay, now see that next number beta. Okay, multiply by this one. So firstly you will complete in your book and then beta in your copy. And don't copy from the video. Don't copy from the video. First see the video more and more time and try to understand and then perform yourself. Okay, this is the way to learn. Okay, some children, they are directly noting down from the video by pausing it. That is wrong way. Okay, that is wrong thing. Better is that first you just see the video completely, then try to do yourself. If in any step you are finding difficulty, then again see the video and correct your mistake. Okay beta, now see that multiply 62 by 2. So you can see that 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja beta 4, 2 6 ja 12. There is no need to write unit place, because after if there will be any further number there, then only unit place digit we will write and tens digit will go in the carryover. Okay, so but only up to 6 it is there, so no need to do any means carryover. Now see that here you just make one cross in the unit under the unit digit. Okay beta, 4 2 ja 8 and 4 6 ja 24. 4 6 ja beta 24. Now add them. 4 8 plus 2 10, carry beta 1, write that carry here. 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6, and this is 2 2604. It will be 2604. Now see that the next one. Okay, see that beta, next one. 8 5 ja multiply 88 to 88 multiplied by 75. See that now. 5 8 ja 40, carry over beta 4, carry over beta 4. Now write that 5 8 ja 40 or 40 plus 4 41, 42, 43, 44. How much it will be? 44. So write complete 44 here. Again next step, what is that? Make a cross under the unit digit. Now 8 7 8 ja 56, 7 8 ja 56. So what will be carry over beta here? 5. Okay, 7 8 ja 56 or 56 plus 5, add it here if you are not able to do. 6 plus 5 11, carry 1, 5 plus 1 6. So what it will be? 6 1 6. Okay, now see that, add them now. 0 6 plus 4 10, carry beta 1, write that carry here. 1 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6, and this 6,600 will be your answer. Okay, now see that this G, H and I and J, how many part? 4 part of the same question you will perform yourself. Okay, now see that the next one. These are not enough for your personal practice. Said other than these 4 part, I am going to give you more question in your assignment form, so you will complete those question. Okay, first try to understand these and then perform these question yourself, then solve these one, and one assignment I am going to give you based on these question. You will do that assignment yourself. Just enough for today. Thank you and Jai Gurudev to all of you, beta.